These web pages are created by using a language. One of those languages is HTML. Okay, web pages can be created by using HTML. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Underline in your books or you can write in your rough copies to make the notes. Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language that is used to create web pages. And we are going to learn this language and we will create a few web pages. Okay? All of us will create web pages. So, who developed HTML? Name of the developer? Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, name of the developer for HTML language who developed HTML, that is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, in 1991. Who developed HTML? Tim Berners-Lee. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. What is the use of HTML? It is used to create web pages. Okay, which application or which software is used to view the web pages? Web browser. Okay, we can view the web pages in web browser. And there are many web browsers available in the market or in online. You can use any of the web browser to view your web page. Any examples of web browsers? Okay, Internet Explorer, Chrome, that is Google Chrome, and Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. No, these are the web browsers. These are the applications you will install on your computers to view the web pages. Like, अगर आपको कोई image open करनी है, you will view the image in image viewer. If you want to open a presentation, you will open PowerPoint. पहले PowerPoint open करेंगे, फिर page open. या आप directly presentation पे अगर double click करके open भी करते हो, तो that is opened in PowerPoint, not in MS Paint, या not in Windows Media Player. एक particular application है जिसमें एक particular file open होगी. Similarly, web pages can be opened in web browsers. Web pages can be viewed in web browsers. Web browsers are many. You can use any of the web browsers. Okay, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, or no, Opera, or Netscape Navigator, Edge. That is the version of Internet Explorer. Okay, because in the latest Windows we are having instead of Internet Explorer we are having Edge. Microsoft Edge. Okay, और कौन से ब्राउजर्स है? Correct, UC browser. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to add to this list? Any name? Safari. Okay, that is also one of the browsers. Okay, you can by default if we are using a desktop or laptop, okay, then by default we are having Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. We do not need any extra. But if you want to use Google Chrome, that means you have to go to that website and download it and then install it like we install any other application. Okay, by default आपके mobiles, Android based mobiles में you are having Google Chrome as a browser. ठीक है, दूसरे आपके iOS mobiles में you are having Safari, I think, right? So there are inbuilt browsers available, but if you want to use any other browser, you can download it, install it like you install any other app. Then you can use it to view the web pages. Okay, what are the various features of web HTML language? What are the various features of HTML language that you are reading from the book only? First of all, बेटा that will be the latest जो new versions आएंगे उनमें ये सब चीजें आएंगी HTML5 onwards. We are not using HTML5. Okay? हाँ हो जाता है. First of all, it is used to create web pages. ठीक है? Then it is not case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? What do you mean by case sensitive? Whether it is case sensitive or it is case insensitive. Any idea? It is not case sensitive. Case means upper case or lower case. Like you are having case in MS Word. You are having many types of case, upper case, lower case, title case, toggle case, right? So upper case sensitive means if it is case sensitive, that means जहाँ पर capital word चाहिए वहाँ पे capital ही चाहिए. जहाँ पे small चाहिए आप लिखोगे वही same letter अगर small में लिखोगे तो error आएगी. But it is not case sensitive. That means whether you write in uppercase or whether you write in lowercase, it doesn't matter. ठीक है? आप HTML की commands, tags चाहे आप upper case में use करें या आप lower case में use करें, it will not have any effect. It will have same effect जो आपका upper case से आ रहा है, lower case से भी same effect आए. So this language is not case sensitive. You are not supposed to worry about कि yes मैंने capital में लिख दिया या मैंने small में लिख दिया. Clear? Anji, any doubt? Yes. Capital case or small case? Capital ABC में लिखे या small ABC में लिखे doesn't matter. चाहे मैं HTML बेटा I can see कि आपने मास्क लगाया है but मास्क के नीचे से मुझे आवाज आ रही है बहुत ज्यादा. ठीक है? I can identify कि किन किन बच्चों को भी क्लास में बात करनी है. Whether I write in HTML in capital letter, whether I write in HTML in small letters, it will have same effect. It doesn't matter. This is not case sensitive. Okay. Second is it allows you to. It is a platform independent language. Platform independent means you can use it on any kind of operating system. Platforms which we are using in our desktop or in our laptops. It doesn't matter कि हमारे लैपटॉप में या डेस्कटॉप में कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. It can be used on any kind of operating system. ठीक है? Platform independent. Then it allows you to create hypertext. What do you mean by hypertext or hyperlinks? Hypertext and hyperlinks. What do you mean by hypertext and hyperlinks? Anyone else? Hyperlinks आप daily use करते हो? Anshidhar, what do you mean by hypertext or hyperlinks? Whether they are same or whether there is any difference? Hypertext और hyperlinks same है या इनमें कोई difference है? नहीं. Daily you visit many websites. There are many links available. You place your mouse pointer on any link, it changes to a hand sign. You understand कि yes इस पे click करेंगे तो एक next page खुलेगा, right? They are hyperlinks. All these are hyperlinks. Okay, we can create those kind of hyperlinks in HTML. By creating many hyperlinks, we can join many web pages in a single website. ठीक है, सिंगल वेबसाइट में आप एक पेज बनाते हो जिसमें आप इंडेक्स बना सकते हो by using the hyperlinks, and user or a viewer can click on any hyperlink to open the further related web page. ठीक है, hypertext और hyperlink में ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. Hypertext means only text that will link you to another web page. Hyperlink means hyperlink can be a text, can be a picture, can be an icon. ठीक है दोनों का मतलब सेम है, पर्पस सेम है, that they are used to link to another web page. ठीक है hypertext include only text as a link. ठीक है only words as a link, but hyperlink can be text, can be image or any icon. ठीक है एनी इमेज, किसी इमेज के ऊपर पॉइंटर रख रहे हैं, वो लिंक बन रहा है, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट पेज ओपन हो रहा है, हाइपरलिंक. हाँ ज्यादातर हाइपरटेक्स्ट लिंक्स भी होते हैं, इमेजेस भी होती है. तो टेक्स्ट कैन बी हाइपरटेक्स्ट और हाइपरलिंक, दे कैन बी कॉल्ड बोथ. ठीक है दे कैन बी कॉल्ड बोथ. हाँ जी दिस लाइन, व्हाट्स योर नेम, गेट अप प्लीज. यस, गिव मी एनी फीचर्स ऑफ HTML लैंग्वेज. We had just discussed 4 features of HTML language. What are those 4 features? Okay, second, platform independent. Platform means book में पढ़ के अपने points बता दिया. Meaning, I had explained what do you mean by platform. Platform independent का meaning क्या नहीं है, book नहीं है. Okay, platform independent. I had just explained. What do you mean by platform independent? Destination free. Operating system. It is independent of any operating system. That means it can be used on any kind of operating system. Okay. Okay. Any other feature? Last इधर. Get up. 2 features उसने बताए हैं, बाकी के 2 features और क्या हैं? Get up. आपके पीछे last. हाँ जी. Get up. He just had told me 2 features. 4 हमने डिस्कस करे, 2 उसने बता दिए, बाकी के 2 और क्या हैं? अपना स्टूल लेके यहाँ. हाँ जी गर्ल्स. Case not case sensitive. Correct. Allows you to create hyperlinks or hypertext. What do you mean by hyperlinks or hypertext? Just common meaning. Hyperlinks or hypertext क्या है? They are both links. They used to link you to another web page. They are links to another web page. Okay. Case insensitive means yes. They can be written in commands or tags of HTML can be written in any case, uppercase or lowercase. Okay. For creating a web page, you will need 2 steps. 1, you will need to create the web page in any editor, text editor. You will write the coding in any text editor, save it, and then view the web page in any web browser. Because web pages can be viewed only in web browser. First of all, we will write the text, do the coding for doing the formatting of that text, inserting images. We will write all the HTML commands to create a web page in any editor, save the file, then view that file, view the output of that coding in browser. Yeah? So first of all, creating an HTML document. How you can create an HTML document? Yes, Harman, I know आपने HTML पहले से करी है. By default जो सेटिंग हुई होगी वेब पेजेस के ओपन करने के लिए, if you are having multiple applications for any software, any kind of PowerPoint, अगर presentation के लिए और PDF files read करने के लिए, you are having many applications, but आपने properties पे जाके setting करी होती है कि yes, I want to view these kind of files in this application, right? आप फाइल के ऊपर राइट क्लिक करके प्रॉपर्टीज में जाते हो, प्रॉपर्टीज में ओपन विथ की एप्लीकेशन सेटिंग होती है, ठीक है कि ये फाइल किस में ओपन होनी चाहिए। तो वो सेटिंग अगर आपकी जिस वेब ब्राउजर के साथ सेट है कि ये वेब पेजेस मेरे इस ब्राउजर में ओपन होने चाहिए, तो अगर आप उस फाइल पे डबल क्लिक करते हो, वेब पेज पे डबल क्लिक करते हो, तो वो उसी ब्राउजर में ओपन होगा। नहीं, वो अपलोड नहीं किया अभी हमने। We had not uploaded it on www. हमने उसको वेब पे अपलोड नहीं किया. That is available only in our document. Oh, sorry, computer. Only in our computer. ठीक है? हाँ जी. First of all, creating an HTML document, you can create the HTML document in any kind of text editor or ठीक है, text editor can be your notepad or wordpad, but by default, yeah, commonly we use notepad only. We use notepad to create the HTML document, to write the coding for HTML document. Start all programs. कैसे खोलेंगे notepad? All programs, accessories and notepad. Or you can also click on search box, type notepad, it will show you the list, name of the application, like जैसे मैंने अभी यहाँ पे click किया, add click type notepad, ठीक है, application का name आ गया, you can click on this, it will open notepad, this, so you will write the HTML code in this notepad, okay, you will write this code in this notepad. Clear? Then we will save it. How to save the file? Control plus S, that is a shortcut key. File menu, save option. ठीक है? See, it is a very important point. Normal file जब save करेंगे, this is a save dialog box. Look here, everyone. This is a save dialog box. In this, you can see file name text box and save as type. Very important thing here. अगर ये स्टेप आपने मिस कर दिया तो आपका वेब पेज नहीं क्रिएट होगा, सिर्फ टेक्स्ट फाइल बनेगी. Give a name to the file. Give a name to the file. ठीक है, any name that you want to give. Suppose I'm giving first .html. This extension must be given. Every file has an extension of 3 or 4 letters. ठीक है, तो this extension of web page must be given. अगर आप सेव करते वक्त ये स्टेप भूल गए, आपने सिर्फ फाइल नेम क्लिक के सेव कर दिया, that will become your text file, not a web page. You will not be able to open it in web browser. ठीक है, .html. One more thing you can do. Click on save as type. Choose all files. To be on more safe side. ये टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट, अगर आप टेक्स्ट फाइल क्लिक करोगे, अगर वहां पे .txt आ रहा होगा तो फाइल कैसे बनेगी? फर्स्ट .html .txt, डबल एक्सटेंशन आ जाएगी वहां पे. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस स्टेप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट while saving your web page. I'm saying it again and again. Note it down, underline कर लो, double underline कर लो. File menu, save option. In save as dialog box, give the name of file .html as extension. Any name that you want to give, add with .html extension के साथ. And save as type में you will choose all files. Then click on save button. Then it will become a web page. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, underline the steps how to open a notepad. Click on start all programs, accessories, notepad. Give examples of 2 text editors, notepad and wordpad. Type the text in the blank space. Now on the next page, save के steps दिए हुए हैं. After writing the code, click on file menu, save as option. Type the name of file in file name box. Select the type of document as .html and click on save button. ये कैसे आएगा? By typing the extension. No more में check करो. HTML files are saved with .html or .htm extension. Clear? Clear? Okay. After saving the file, we will view that file or open that file in browser. ठीक है? After saving the file, we will open that file in web browser. Okay? How? Open any web browser. Maybe Internet Explorer. Browser open कर लिया और Google Chrome open कर लिया. Internet Explorer में you will find file menu, open option. Internet Explorer में you will find a menu bar. On that menu bar there is a file menu, open option. ठीक है? In open option you will find a open dialog box. Click on browse. Browse पे click करेंगे. If file menu is not available, maybe in browse, maybe in Internet Explorer or maybe in Google Chrome, how you will open the file then? अगर फाइल मेन्यू नहीं आ रहा है तो क्या करेंगे? शॉर्टकट की. Use the shortcut key Ctrl+O. It will open the open dialog box. This is the open dialog box. ठीक है? Select the file that you have saved. Like जैसे ये फाइल HTML फाइल बनी हुई है. Books.html, earth.html, electric.html. These are the various files. Click on any file. Click on open. The file will get open. These kind of web pages you will create. ठीक है? These kind of web pages you can create. हाँ जी, online students. To show you. Any doubt till now? You can see the web page. ठीक है? These kind of web pages you can create by giving background colors, giving headings, inserting pictures, tables. Table has been inserted. These are the hyperlinks. These are the hyperlinks. We can click on here and it will open another web page. ठीक है? Other files are not available. Clear? Underline the steps how to open. File menu, open option, browse option, dialog open dialog box will appear. Write down. Book में लिख लो. If file menu is not available, अगर आपको menu bar नहीं मिल रही है, then what will you do? Ctrl+O shortcut key you will press. It will open dialog box. Then select the file that you want to open. Choose the file that you want to view and click on open button. Like I had just done. Ctrl+O. Choose the file that you want to open and click on open. This is another file that has been created. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, what should be the extension of HTML document? .html. Okay, what do you mean by extension? Why we need the extension? What is the use of extension? चलो ये तो इस एप्लीकेशन के लिए हो गया, ठीक है? Otherwise, every application or every file that we create that has an extension, whether your music file, it has an extension .mp4, .wav, your images file is having an extension .png. आप डाउनलोड करते हो तो एक्सटेंशन नेम लिखा होता है, राइट? आप अपनी फाइल्स पीडीएफ फाइल कहते हो, मैम पीडीएफ फाइल सेंड कर दो. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पीडीएफ? पीडीएफ इज एन एक्सटेंशन. एक्सटेंशन का मतलब क्या है? Extension identifies the type of application in which that file will get opened. ठीक है, extension क्या है? Extension will identify the type of file. ये किस तरह की फाइल है? So that we can know in which application we can open it. Now PDF file is there. PDF file can't be opened in MS Paint or image viewer, right? Image PNG file है. PNG file will be opened in image viewer. Music file है, that will be opened in Windows Media Player. So each kind of file, document file है, docx, docx option दी हुई है, extension दी हुई है. That means it identifies that this is a document file. Can't open in PowerPoint. Okay, so every extension identifies that what type of file it is. Clear?